Hello. I'll be playing M2, because yeah. Oh, my voice sounds weird. Yeah. Don't need that. Anyways, if you're wondering why I've got an avatar, it's because I can barely find a good boy's avatar. So annoying. Innocent. Well, as you can see. Anyways, I'm not sure if everyone knows about this end spot, but oh, hello. Oh, well, he was a murderer. Let's just bring it. Yeah. No. She's just gonna hurt her. Well, I like this girl's avatar. Yeah. It's good. Let's see what people have. I remember I got Sakura for broken. Sakura for broken. It's legendary and godlies. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Anyways, I bloody wish. So cool. Anyways, I'm on an alt. Well, not really an alt. Never mind. That's a user. Does that person have bloody headless? I'm looking. No, it's just hands. Oh. Is it Halloween? Is that about a year until Halloween? It's crazy. Around again. And another innocent. I really can't really get what this thing is. Funny. Anyways, try that. I'll try it again. Murderer again. Okay, it's lucky. Yeah. Oh, so it's not that guy. Good. Dead. Go. Run like you've never run before. So it's somebody with that effect. Hey. See if I can. Oh, no. No. I absolutely hate campers. Campers are the worst. Even though, in fact, no man, I do camp sometimes, but we're not talking about that. Well, we kind of are, but yeah. Oh, still camping. Maybe there's this guy. To me. The log guy. Can't bloody. Oh my god. See if I can. Oh, this guy's in. Wish there was a ghost selection, so you just walk around. But the murderer can't get you. That'll be good. Oh, she's there. Just run. Oh my god. That's really load coins. Yeah, go for it. Get out of the coins. Ah, crap, I can't do that voice. Yeah. Get the coin. Logic. Basic logic. Anyways, I'm not so bad. I can't really see them. Oh yeah, factory. Who's he calling monkey? Anyways, he goes to my school. 'Cause, yeah. Not sure. I would die if my family finds my YouTube account. I will delete all my things, no matter what. My sister will find a way to make me feel bad about it. But never mind. Shouldn't say that. Act like that never happened. Never happened. Yeah. I swear, if he comes to me, I'm gonna follow him and see what he does. Yeah, I know you murderer. You show me that. Anyways. Oh. Anyways, have you heard of that mama boy thingy? He's been like took a girl home and raped her or something. Got sent to jail for 7 or 9 years. Not really heard much about it. But yeah. Cheers. Yeah, honey. Oh, I was just wondering. I thought she was the murderer. Anyways, oh yeah. I keep on forgetting that she's the sheriff. Oh, I thought that was a real person for a second. Wait. I never realised why I just had flour on top of them. Smudges. Some buttons. Roblox check. Ah, crap! Oh. Took too long. Marinate. Have we got the ginger knife already? That's crazy. Anyways, I'll kill all the ginger knife. Well, not actually kill, but I wish I had that ginger knife thingy. Wait. I want to see if it actually, you can actually buy it. Yep, you can. That's what all ancient. And God, these are all like special designs. And then all the rares and below are just like normal knives, like this one right here. Like commons. Anyways, how many? Oh, I've got like nearly 3,000 coins on my other account. Just been playing on that account for years. I'm so lucky. Well, kind of. Was that 11, 12 people there? Single round of them. I'm gonna do this round and then do a video. Cause yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna be. I would end it now.